Hey all, this is JM. I am inviting you to a free 1-hour workshop that I'll be giving online on nursery and plant propagation, looking at how to set up your nursery, the investments, the tools, the equipment, the strategies that make a good nursery, why and how. And if you already have one, you might learn a few different things, how to optimize yours. And if you're in the process of getting one or building one, you know, there's a lot of the fundamentals that I think you'll learn from this workshop, and also talking about plant propagation per se, how we do things here on the farm, why, the steps, some of the best practices, the simple procedures that it's really important to know because it all starts in the nursery. That's where the beginning of the season is at. And so it's a free online course. All the information is on the link below. It is for seasoned growers or newbies. I think all of you guys might learn a trick or two. That's my goal with sharing this workshop. And yeah, if anything else, I'll see you there.